are having a vigil this morning for those disappeared by ICE. Disappeared does not mean shot. It means disappeared, taken off the streets, taken out of workplaces, disappeared into concentration camps, flown to other countries around the world. So we are here this morning on behalf of all those persons that cannot speak for themselves.
We gather here today because every life is precious. And there comes a time when the laws of our society begin to claim otherwise. In that moment, we turn towards the foundation of all truth and goodness.
And it is in love that we work together, not only remembering who we are, but being supported to be who we are called to be. Vehicles of love that is so desperately needed in this broken world.